1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Time to whisk. Oh, don't get too close to the onion. It will hurt your eyes. I'm crying. Bad onion, I'm going away. But I guess we need it because it tastes yummy. But still, it hurts me. This is scary.
You pull it off.
It looks like a nice smiley face. Eye, nose, mouth. We're gonna fold the onion mix right through the egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rashers of bacon. Let's chop it in half. Easier done than said.
Can you dice up the bacon?
Just at me.
Make it a bit smaller to eat.
And the unicorn jumped over the moon. Woohoo! I'm back. I want to do it. You do it. I thought it's going to make that sizzling noise.
Pan's not hot enough, but it will get hotter, don't worry.
Now I have a runway. La 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 la. I'm the queen. La 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 la. Done. I'm scoring the pastry. Woohoo! Oh yes, I want to do it. This is the best thing I've ever tasted. So good. Why haven't you tried it? Try it. Can you please make meat pie sometimes? But I like the way it goes pastry, and it has this nice eggy flavour, and it has a nice bacony touch to it. This is the best.